To announce the Jacksonville Jaguars selection, please welcome from the University of California, Los Angeles, the Jaguars 2009 and 2013 Walter Payton Man of the Year, running back, Maurice Jones-Drew.
With the 69th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Jacksonville Jaguars select Yannick Ngakoue, defensive end, Maryland.
First of all, I want to know who we borrowed that suit from. I've never seen Maurice Jones-Drew in a suit. The first time.
It wasn't a suit, but yeah, go ahead.
Close enough. Yannick Ngakoue. They just keep adding to this defense here. Yannick Ngakoue, big-time get-up. I know this is one of Mike Mayock's favorite guys.
Yeah, I like this pick a lot. If you look what Jacksonville is doing, first of all, they get Dante Fowler back this year as a first-round pick. They signed Malik Jackson, who's going to be an inside nickel rusher. And now you go to the outside. For me, he's a designated pass rush guy. He can't be in the field in rundowns. He gets covered up. He doesn't have the length or the explosion to handle that run game. However, he's a chess piece in the pass game. Quick and explosive, you can use him up or down.